Come on, man. That's Hog Daddy stuff. God damn, it's always something. I spent all day working on the Accord. And the Camry says, I want some attention too. I mean, damn, man. Alright guys, it has escalated once again. So I was trying to get away doing this front end stuff, just trying to do brakes. Turns out the ball joints were bad. And now I found out that the bearing is bad in here. You can see by, let's see if I can get you. See all the play in there? You can hear it. It's moving around. It's not supposed to. And it's kind of noisy. I mean, you could probably get away with driving this, but since I have it apart, I guess, you know, we're just going to do what we've been doing and replace everything. Let's see if I can find the old ball joint. Here we go. I mean, this thing wasn't seized up or anything, so that's good. It was just, I mean, I might have cut this up when I was using the pickle fork to get it out, but these boots were pretty thrashed anyway, and then they were leaking grease onto my control arm, so, you know, again, might as well just replace it. Okay, so just for you guys out there that may not know or have ever ran into a bearing problem like this, I'm just going to do a quick comparison to show you good versus bad. So this side is still good. This is from the driver's side. But if you hear it when it turns, you know, it's quiet. You know, you can still, it still has a noise to it, but it's not like aggressive. It just sounds like it's nice and smooth and like quiet. Kind of the same noise throughout the turn, right? And when you try to rock it back and forth in its place, it's solid, it doesn't move. The bad one that we just looked at, it's like way more growly and grindy. That's a bad sign right there. And then also, like I showed before, the little, that's the death sign right there. That's how you know that you're about to have to spend money. 3 days later. Alright y'all, check it out. Got my stuff back from my buddy's shop. New bearings on there, nice and shiny and fresh. We also got some new ball joints. Nice and new. Hell yes. I wire wheeled these things down the best I could, you know. Now I'm gonna clean them out with some brake cleaner, take them outside, shoot some new paint on them. They'll be brand new, factory spec. Boom, boom. And then while that's drying, I'm gonna start wire wheeling this caliper bracket. Get that ready for paint. This caliper is pretty close. Just gotta do the other one. We'll be set. Cue the time lapse. You guys hear that? Of course. I'm trying to paint and it's windy as hell. But it's like my birthday or something. Check this out. setting up my paint stuff. We got a box. This is the inner and outer tie rods for the Accord that we'll also be doing. So worst case scenario, I'll do that today, but I'm gonna try to get a layer of paint down and see what happens. Also, make sure when you do this, you use your Subaru as a wind block. That's what it's for, right? Overspray? Nah, it'll be fine. But this is what I got so far. I used just one coat of this reformer stuff. It seems to work pretty good. Kind of just, I guess, seals it all in. That way it can be paintable. Or at least so the can says. I'm gonna let that dry up now, though. And then we'll hit it with some of that roll bar paint and move on. And also don't worry about overspray. We'll get that off later. Don't forget, fellers, when you're doing this, throw some grease in here for the next guy, you know? That way you're not dealing with these things being all, not doing this thing. They're just stuck, and it's a whole headache. Also, be extra nice, throw some anti-seize on the threads of these. That way, you're not trying to do one of these, and it snaps off, and then you're also hurting. So, whether it's easier for you or the next guy you sell the car to, it's just a good guy car karma. Is that a thing? No, but it is now. Bird! The SS problems aplenty. That's what we're dealing with now, is more problems that shouldn't be a problem, but they are. So the issue now is the lower ball joint on the passenger side. I guess when my buddy's shop or whoever was doing it was pressing the joints in, some of the threads got kind of nicked up when they were pushing them in. This isn't it. This is just an example, right? This is a tie rod, but so essentially these, like, the first two threads got mushroomed out pretty bad. So what my plan is I'm going to use the Dremel and kind of try to maybe grind away like the first two and like all around, in a circle, and just try to maybe knock those two first threads off and then see if it will work. I really hope so, because I don't want to take it apart and put another ball joint in it. Come on, man. Look at this. It's like April 7th. Oh! Damn, boy! I'm flying away. Oof. But good news is, bleeding the brakes. Next clip should be us driving this thing, unless, I guess, I don't know, maybe I'll have to drive the Subaru if it starts freaking snowing like this. Back to it. All right, y'all. Big moment. First drive in 3 years. Oh, also I did one of these. No big deal. Mm-hmm. Got the bumper back on. We got no gas. That's all right. We're just gonna go down to Justin's and down the road here, see if he's home, and just drive back. Stole the battery out of the Subaru. Starts right up. No brake. In neutral, all right? Let's see if this car can stop under its own power. We're rolling. Ready? Hell yeah, dude. It freaking stops. The brakes seem a little squishy right now, but I try to bleed them on my own with like a little self-bleeder tool. So I don't think I got it perfectly. I'll have to have another person help me out with that. But I mean, they stop. I'll have to check if it's anything's leaking when I get back, but here we go. Oh, she low. Oh, she low, guys. Oh, I can't even get out of my driveway. Please don't scrape, please don't scrape. Oh, okay. Okay, that's pretty much normal. Oh. Something's rubbing. Oop, that's tire smell. Okay. Yep. I'm trying to hold the camera as still as possible, but this, this shit's pretty friggin' bouncy. I'm not lying. Oh my god. I mean, all right, let's see if I can do this here. Oh. Okay, that could just be a alignment issue because my steering wheel is this. Check it out. Yeah, it's all over the place, so there must be some aggressive toe issue going on. Oh my god. I gotta be careful too because I don't have any insurance, registration, plates. I don't got shit right now for this car legally, so I'm gonna have to stay in my neighborhood. Oh my god. Dude, that's it. This car's new name is the Bounce House. It's actually not too bad on a road like this. I mean, for as low as it is, like, these actually ride, I mean, decently. Everyone knows the lower you go, the worse the ride quality is, and this isn't, like, as horrible as I thought it would be, you know? Alright, here we go. Let's see if Justin's home. Let's just cruise through his little spot. See, here's the scrapage, ready? Oh. Okay, not too bad. Oh shit, I think he is home. I'm gonna go bother him. I'll catch up with you guys in a second. Oh dang, he took up the whole driveway. I can't even park this dang thing there. Alright, I'll catch you guys in a second. Alright guys. There it is. Finally got the car driving. Just did the first test drive. It needs a little bit of tweaking and adjusting, but it ran and drove under its own power. It stopped under its own power. That officially marks the first milestone in this build. It's ready to go for the most part. Now we can start doing the fun stuff. Of course, we gotta get it bladed and stuff so we can actually take it on a longer drive and make sure everything's good. But for now, we can start doing some more sanding, get ready to get it painted, start doing fun stuff like what I did with the exhaust. That's where we're at. This thing is ready to go. The next video, I don't know. I don't have anything planned yet. I don't know what we should do. Drop it in the comments below. Let me know what you guys want to see. At this point, we can start doing everything fun. So, until next time, we'll see ya.
Want me to record you?
Come on, man. I gotta deal with snow and sleet. Now it's a tornado. Are you kidding me?
That's some Thunder Daddy stuff.
Fuck! That's Thunder Daddy stuff. That's Hog Daddy stuff.